Hello guys, this is EdPro1 and welcome to a new video on Strike Force Heroes 2. We're gonna play level 2 and yeah, let's get started. Yeah, on my first day, let's see what this is all about. Okay, better suit.
Let's see what you got.
Okay, let's go. Oh, we're shooting him. Oh, pretty easy to shoot. We're shooting this guy. Oh no, we're shooting these guys. What? We're shooting them? Wait. No. Yeah, we have our own team. Yeah. What are you doing? Are we shooting each other? Oh, cool. Oh, I never knew about that. Yeah, level up, boy. Oh. I think we're winning. Or maybe not. But let's just get some kills on. Double kill, double kill, double kill, come on. Yes, double kill. Yes, another kill. Come on. Shoot him, let's take him down. Let's go. Yes, another kill. Yes, I'm beasting through this. I'm beasting, man. Oh, hell. Auto bullets, that's why. Anyways, I think we're gonna win this one again. Okay. So this time, you could probably hear me a bit more clearer because I did turn the sound down. And please stay tuned for my next videos. Oh, I would like comments. I would like to comment. Oh, damn it. Ooh. I would like a comment down below, like any comment. And remember, if you want me to play another game, just put it down. Subscribe and like. And yeah. So, last kill of the game. Last kill of the game. Come on. Over here. There we go. Victory. And see you tomorrow for the next episode. Episode 3. And goodbye guys. And yeah.